resort is just amazing. The beach is beautiful. Just you're back in nature. It's not touristy. It's very local, which I liked. The staff were amazing, just friendly. They were like family from day one. And the food is amazing. Oh my goodness. Stephanie mentioned that Dr. Laura started a farm, organic farm. So most of the food comes from the farm, which is just farm to table, and very simple ingredients, very simple recipes, but just delicious food. And I'm a foodie, so like I think it's just very healthy and delicious.
And you guys got to do
Yes, and we got to do yoga at 7 a.m. sharp every morning, which was so amazing and great. And then after yoga was meditation, and that was taught by, led by Dr. Laura, and it was a great experience.
Yeah, it was such a treat to be able to do that every day.
Yes.
I think the combination of the bioenergy and the beach and then going back and doing the meditation and the yoga every day, that combination works really, really well for someone who's looking for personal development and then a little bit of this professional development to learn the techniques and the teachings of bioenergy.